Good morning, all my lovely students. I hope you all are fine. Now, yesterday I have explained you mind map. I hope you all have understand of all the topics whatever we have discussed in this. So now today I hope you all have completed this book exercise. I have given you the page number 26 book exercise. So open your book and check your answer. I am writing. First question I have given, choose the correct answer. So choose the correct answer. First is, we get silk or cotton from the silkworm. So what we get from silkworm? We get silk from silkworm. So check your answer. I am again speaking. We get silk from the silkworm. We get silk from the silkworm. Next is, we wear woolen or cotton clothes in winter. So in winter we wear woolen clothes. Which type of clothes we wear in winter? Woolen clothes. Check your answer, students. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Third is, we get wool from. We get wool from tiger or sheep. Tiger? No, it is sheep. I know you all have given me right answer. We get wool from sheep. Next is, a doctor or vegetable seller wears a uniform. Who wears a uniform? Vegetable seller or doctor? A doctor wears a uniform. Next is, people around the world wear different or same types of dresses. In this whole world, people wear same type of dress or different types of dresses? Different types of dresses. Okay. Now, next is B number exercise. Answer in one word. Answer in one word. Special dress some people wear to work. So what is called, students? That is called what? Uniform. That is called uniform. UNIFORM, uniform. So we special dress someone people wear to work, that is uniform. Next is, we get cotton from it. From where we get cotton? We get cotton from cotton plant. We get cotton from cotton plant. Next is traditional dress of Japan. So what is the correct answer? Kimono. Okay. And next is the process by which cotton thread becomes a cloth. किस process से cloth बनता है? Spinning. Which? Spinning. We get silk from it. We get silk from it. So we get silk from silkworm. So check your answer, students, whatever you have solved it. So now book exercise. We should wear. Students, here are fill in the blanks. So first is, we should wear which type of clothes in winter? So we wear woolen clothes in winter. We should wear woolen clothes in winter. Second is, we wear dash to school. What we wear to school? हम स्कूल के लिए क्या पहनते हैं? What we wear to school? Cotton plant cap, Uniform or silk? Yes, uniform. What we wear to school? Uniform. Okay. We can knit a woolen dash using wool. What thing we can knit a woolen dash using wool? क्या चीज़ है that we can knit at a home by using wool? Cap. What? Cap. We can knit a woolen cap using wool. Okay. Next is used to make a sari. Which thing is used to make a sari? Cotton plant or silk? Silk. Silk is used to make a sari. Next is we get cotton from the cotton plant. So check fully your book exercise. I am reading one more time. First is we should wear woolen clothes in winter. Next is we wear uniform to school. We can knit a woolen cap. We can using wool, and silk is used to make a sari, and we get cotton from the cotton plant. So students you have to fill each and every answer in your book. Now we will do next question, that is match the following. So you can see here are few names and here are the pictures. So we have to match the name with their proper picture. So first picture, first read it, DOCTOR, doctor. So who is doctor here? Yes, this. He is a doctor. So we will match doctor to doctor. Okay. Now second is NURSE, nurse. So where is nurse picture? Just see. So we will match this 2 till C, that is nurse. And the third is astronaut. So where is the picture of astronaut? This B number. So we will match astronaut to B. Fourth is lawyer. So where is lawyer picture? This one. Where? This one. So we will match lawyer to A. And the last one is policeman. So where is policeman? Now this is the lab, this is the police. So students, today we have completed our book exercise, that is of page number 26 and 27. Choose the correct answer, answer in one word, fill in the blanks and match the following. So I hope you will complete your book exercise. And now just look at this activity. Just read about these people and color the uniforms. What you have to do in your book exercise, or you have to call which picture is this. Just like I am reading one for you. I am a firefighter. So who is he? He is a firefighter. What you have to do, you have to call their names and color in all the pictures in your book. Okay students, now just yes, look at here. This is your picture of a cotton plant. What I am giving you one activity. You have to make a cotton plant in your rough notebook and tell me the process to make a cotton cloth. I have already explained you in my previous lecture. Then how can we make a cotton cloth? By which process? Here all the process, all the steps are written here. So you will make a picture. You can show me this making cotton clothes process in by the pictures. Okay, so you will tell me how you will draw all the pictures to make the cotton clothes. Just do practice and goodbye.